Hello students, let us start with part 13 of chapter 13. We are going to start with last topic of the chapter, arenes, hydrocarbons and their alkyl, alkenyl and alkenyl derivatives which contain one or more benzene rings either fused or isolated in their molecules are called aromatic hydrocarbons. Benzene ring is highly unsaturated and in most of the reactions of aromatic compounds, the unsaturation of benzene ring is retained. Aromatic hydrocarbons containing a benzene ring are called benzenoids. Those not containing a benzene ring are called non-benzenoids. Now, classification and nomenclature of arenes. Arenes are further classified into different series depending upon the number of fused benzene rings present in their molecules. Their general formula is CnH2n-6m, where n is number of carbon atoms and m is number of rings. So let us see three types. Number one, monocyclic arenes: toluene, orthoxylene, ethylbenzene, styrene. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons: biphenyl, diphenylmethane, stibane, that is 1,2-diphenyl ethane. Linear fusion of aromatic rings: naphthalene, anthracene, naphthacene. Isomerism in arenes. Arenes show position isomerism. Benzene is a symmetrical molecule, that is, all the 6 hydrogen atoms of benzene are equivalent. Therefore, the replacement of one hydrogen atom of benzene by any substituent will give only a single product. Thus, monosubstitution products of benzene do not show isomerism. When two hydrogen atoms of benzene ring replaced by two same or different substituents, three isomers are possible, which differ in their position of substituents. Thus, disubstitution products of benzene show position isomerism. These three isomers are called ortho, meta and para, according as the relative position of two substituents are 1, 2, then ortho, 1, 3, then meta, 1, 4, para. These positions are shown on the screen. Benzene behaves like a saturated compound as supported by the facts. Benzene undergoes substitution rather than addition reaction. Benzene is an unsaturated compound, yet it does not undergo addition reaction. It does not decolorize bromine in carbon tetrachloride solution. It undergoes substitution reaction, which are characteristics of saturated compound. When treated with Br2 in presence of traces of FeBr3, benzene forms monobromobenzene. That is C6H6. When react with Br2, it gives C6H5Br, that is bromobenzene, and HBr in presence of FeBr3. But when C6H6 is treated with Br2 in presence of CCl3, no product is formed. Benzene is resistant to oxidation. Benzene does not decolorize alkaline KMnO4 with powerful oxidizing agents such as chromic acid, potassium permanganate. It is very slowly oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. Thus, benzene resists oxidation like saturated compounds. Now, Kekulé structure. It tells about the resonance in benzene where the pi bond should be shown. Kekule proposed that the 6 carbon atoms of benzene are joined to each other by alternate single and double bonds to form a hexagonal ring. Each carbon is further connected to a hydrogen atom. Shown on the screen, there are alternate double and single bonds. And molecular orbital structure of benzene is also shown at the bottom, and type of hybridization, sigma bond and bond angles, they are also shown. Since all the bond angles in benzene are 120 degree, therefore all the carbon atoms of benzene are assumed to be sp2 hybridized. Each carbon atom forms carbon single bond carbon sigma bonds with the neighboring carbon atoms and one carbon hydrogen sigma bonds with the hydrogen atom. In all three are 6 sigma bonds and 6 sigma bonds with carbon and hydrogen. They lie in one plane and angle between any two adjacent is 120 degree. Each carbon is now left with an unhybridized p orbital. These 6 unhybridized p orbitals have one electron each and are not only parallel to one another but are also perpendicular to the plane of bonded carbon atoms, bonded carbon skeleton. Any two p orbitals on adjacent carbon atoms are close enough for sideways overlap to give pi bonds. Each 2p orbital overlap equally with 2p orbitals on adjacent carbon atoms on either side to form two dot nut shaped electron clouds, one of which lie above and other below the plane of carbon and hydrogen atoms. 2p orbitals are not confined to a single pi bond between two carbon atoms but are involved in the formation of more than one pi bond. This participation of pi electrons in more than one bond is called delocalization of electrons. Thank you.